Right. So what's this store called? What's the name of the store?
The store, sir, is Ropali Classics, the original.
Ropali Classics.
Yeah.
That's kind of interesting, actually.
Yeah. The company also owns those Ropali motorcycles. We used to sell small bikes. They was decided to put classic stores for big bikes. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Let me make sure. All right, there we go. Now we can do it. Let's do that again. Ropali. So that's, to me, it looks like everything here looks like old model classic stuff.
Before we used to sell all those old design, just like Royal Enfield. We also have Ural. We also have Norton. All the classic designs.
Right.
But now we're catering all this, just like Lambretta, the latest Lambretta also.
Right.
Also for the Kimco bikes, we also sell those e-trikes.
Right. Yeah. So you sell then you have a little Kawasaki.
Yeah.
But you can order pretty much anything.
Anything.
Even Honda or whatever.
I think we can just order Kawasaki big bikes and Yamaha. But for Honda and Suzuki, they just for their big bikes, they don't want to sell for the different dealers. They don't want to sell their bikes.
Yeah. Right. Great. I kind of like this because this reminds me of Europe.
Yeah.
Some of the Vespas and stuff. You remember that? From Europe.
Yeah.
Italian Vespa and all that stuff.
There's
Electric bicycle, yeah.
They're a little bit cheaper.
Yeah, Velocipelo,
They
yeah.
look like the old Harley Davidson bicycles.
Yeah, almost the same frame as the old Harley. Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
You can check our bike, sir. CK, you can assist, sir, for the information and the price also.
Right. So this Norton here, what is that? 650 or?
That's a 961, sir. 961 Norton.
Okay.
That's a 2017 model.
Okay. I got at home in US. I got a Triumph.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
I got the Trophy 4. You familiar with the Trophy?
Yeah.
That's a nice bike. That's a nice bike. This is really cool, man. I'm going to do a
Glad you came in.
5-minute video here because this is really cool. Something I have not seen here in Philippines before. Didn't even know you were here. So you guys are doing bad marketing. You didn't reach Mabalacat. That's where I'm reaching.
Mabalacat, yeah. We're just 1 year. We just opened 1 year ago.
Yeah, right. So, but what's your means of marketing as far as getting out there? Do you do flyers?
Yeah, we're still working on it. As of this moment, we're still planning to go to Mabalacat. Maybe next month. We're looking.
So you're gonna open a location in Mabalacat?
For the location, we also have a shop in Mabalacat already. We have those. We have the Ropali motorcycles. We only sell those small bikes.
Are you on MacArthur somewhere?
Yeah, in MacArthur. I think it's near.
Right next to the Burger King.
Yamaha Tria shop.
Yeah, I know where that is.
Oh, that's between the roundabout and Mabalacat, Dao.
After roundabout, in between roundabout and Dao, yeah.
Yeah.
If you're going to Mabalacat, if you're going to Dao, our shop is located on the right side.
Okay. Yeah, I think I've seen it.
Yeah,
I think I've seen it.
yeah.
Okay.
That's a Kawasaki tent in front.
All right. This is a pretty cool bike, actually. Yeah. I mean, they have these old style engines, and it's really cool. Let me.
Norton is British, right?
Norton is British,
Yeah,
right?
it's pretty strong.
Yeah. Grab this for me. I got to see my screen here. It's really cool, actually.
These are all electric.
So 900 cc. So are these
Italian Lambrettas.
these are Italian? Because I remember being in Rome and I remember
It's Piaggio.
right.
Lambretta is whatever. It's another their competitor.
Yeah, I-
Competitors all along. They made similar looking scooters throughout history.
Yeah, this is pretty cool actually. Look at that. This one is cool too. What is this here?
An electrical bicycle.
Electrical bicycle. Man, that's pretty cool.
It's a knockoff of the old Harley Davidson.
Oh yeah,
Harley Davidson bicycle.
right. Lambretta. So Italian. Lambretta.com. Those are pretty cool actually. So these are electrical. What kind of range? Oh, these are gasoline. Okay.
This was just already
What are they? 100?
169.
169 cc?
V200
So,
special.
so they have a little bit of pull and power. And what do we got
This
here?
was AK 550 special edition.
AK, manufactured by,
Kim Taiwan.
oh, okay, in Taiwan.
Yes, number one.
I have really never seen this bike before. It's pretty cool though.
Yes, it's cool.
Yeah, tell me some more about it. What's price range on the thing like this?
604,000.
604. So how many cc do you got on this one?
150cc sir, it's already ABS front and rear. As you can see,
Oh, yeah, yeah,
in
yeah.
the front brake, it's already Brembo type.
Right. Yeah,
Brembo brake.
And keyless also.
One of the
Right,
selling point
right.
of this unit sir, is keyless already.
It's actually a pretty cool bike.
A wide compartment.
Oh yeah.
Brembo brakes.
Yes sir, Brembo brakes.
This one is made in
Taiwan. Especially sir with the leather, genuine leather seats.
Genuine leather.
Yes sir.
Yeah, you can feel that for sure.
And also Maxi Scooter of the Year.
Huh?
Maxi Scooter of the Year.
Maxi Scooter of the Year?
27.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
It's number one in Europe sir. Yes sir, special edition.
Yeah, I was surprised to see it's a 550.
The standard emission of this engine is Euro 4.
Oh, okay.
Euro 4.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, that's a really, really,
Yes, sir.
really cool bike.
They have a couple of they have
Because
a
about the
KTM.
pollution.
Right. Oh, KTM. I never liked that bike. I tried a 400. I don't like it.
390, we do.
Yeah, and it's just not running the way I want it.
I sort of like this
The bike that
automatic.
I like cruisers, right? I want a cruiser, and the bike that surprised me more than any is the Vulcan 650. I mean that
That like you're looking for.
we put it up against the Harley 1800cc cruiser, and the 1800 Harley doesn't have a chance to come along. I mean, it's amazing what that bike can do. It's the top speed is not that much. It's like 180, 190 kilometers an hour, but that's all you need. So, but it has acceleration far beyond many big bikes like the 1200s.
This is a
All right, what do we got here? This is
Electric Drive.
Electric trike.
electric trike.
One of our best sellers.
All right, manufactured by who? Oh, okay, so this is a Chinese. Really cool, cool looking thing. It's pretty cool. It's like almost like a two-passenger, one
Yes.
two-passenger seater.
3 passenger.
Yes.
Right. That's pretty cool.
I've seen a few of these around.
This one's a 2018 model. The red one outside is a 2019 model.
Oh.
We improved it. It's already power
Oh,
window.
okay.
Power window.
Power windows.
This one's manual.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, they got. I'm glad I stopped by here. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, we're gonna head out. Do you have a card? Let me go and grab that logo. I'm gonna go and grab that logo on video here. Can I go and grab that logo a little close up?
Please.
Really cool. Right, and then you guys have a little bit of accessories and other things too. It's cool. I didn't even know you were here, but now we know. Thank you very much, and God bless. We'll see you soon again. Huh? Yeah, if you hashtag this, you'll see all my videos.
Okay.
You know hashtag, right?
Yeah.
Our Life in the Philippines.
Okay.
You'll see it. This one will probably go up either today or tomorrow. I'll put it up later today. All right. All right. All right. Yeah, give me a subscription.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Give me a subscription. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
This is pretty cool, man. I'm gonna take this also. I mean, they sell different kind of brands, and it's really that bike from Taiwan, a 550 scooter.
Yes. Really nice.
All right. Did I get the other side
Yeah.
before we got in? Are you sure? Let me go and just get it. This is a really cool place. I didn't realize they're here. But I like the bikes they have around here. It's very cool. Look at the tank. Special edition. Kawasaki 800. Very cool bike. And this is electrical trike. 2-seater. Really cool too. All right, guys, that's a wrap from the motorcycle. That was a little surprise walk-in little video. That's another thing I'm gonna wait here until the cars pass by. There was another surprise. I didn't even know the store is here, but we are going to start doing a little bit of this too, where we check out different brands of different products to let you know what Philippines really has to offer. There's a lot of stuff here that you can't find anywhere else, and like this store here was a really cool surprise to us. So just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, you get the notifications, and God bless. Bye-bye.